Hi, I'm Ruth Hutson, science educator with 3D Molecular Designs with another Educator Insight video. Today I want to talk about classification of chromosomes based on centromere position, and this video came about because of a question that someone had in the chat of one of our other videos. So just as a reminder, if you have a question about any videos that we have, place them in the chat and we'll talk about them the next time we do an Educator Insight video. So now let's talk about chromosomes and how we name them. I want to start first with a metacentric chromosome. And I want to place a spindle fiber on the centromere so it's easier to see on the video. So there are basically three positions that we look at on a chromosome. We look at the centromere, we look at the P arm, and the Q arm. And the P arm is based on length compared to the Q arm. The P arm stands for petite, which is French for short, and it was named that way, and then there was a lot of discussion on what needed to be next, and since Q comes next in the alphabet, that's why we have a Q arm, or at least that's the lore that you see on the internet. It's kind of hard to see if that's really why we name it that way, but either way, metacentric chromosome, as compared to a submetacentric chromosome. And a submetacentric chromosome, the Q arm is just a little bit longer than the P arm, and here we still have our centromere. So there's four classifications, and the next classification of chromosome is an acrocentric chromosome, where you see that the P arm is quite a bit shorter than the Q arm. Here's our centromere again. And then finally, the last classification of chromosome is a telocentric chromosome. And notice that there really is no P arm. It goes directly into the telomere, and that the Q arm is the same length. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We use chromosome length to help with different diagnostic tests like a karyotype. Tune in next time, and I'll talk some more about how we identify different types of chromosomes. Until then, happy modeling!